10 lesser-known BMW facts for auto aficionados. BMW, renowned for its innovative vehicles from the M1 to the i3, initially focused on crafting aircraft engines before transitioning to motorcycles and passenger cars post-World War II. Despite facing financial challenges in the 1950s, subsequent decades witnessed substantial expansion, cementing BMW's status as a leading European automaker. Presently, BMW offers a diverse lineup, ranging from the popular X-Series SUVs to the opulent i7 limousine. Additionally, BMW oversees subsidiaries including Mini and Rolls-Royce, the latter responsible for crafting some of the world's most luxurious automobiles. Within its extensive history lie numerous overlooked anecdotes, from groundbreaking prototypes to untold stories behind its iconic models. Let's delve into some of these fascinating tales. 1. Origins of the BMW M3. Initially conceived as a Group A homologation special, the BMW M3 E30 exceeded expectations, becoming a racing-derived legend. Surpassing its mandated production numbers, the M3 Sport Evolution, with just 600 units produced, remains a coveted collector's item. 2. Marcello Gandini's lost concept. Designed by Marcello Gandini, the Garmisch concept, showcased at the 1970 Geneva Motor Show, mysteriously vanished post-exhibit, only to be rediscovered decades later through archival photos, leading to a painstaking recreation in 2019. 3. BMW's most powerful production vehicle. Contrary to expectations, the XM label Red SUV, boasting a hybrid V8 powertrain generating 738 horsepower, holds the title of BMW's mightiest production car, despite polarizing aesthetics. 4. Off-road prototype. The Z18, BMW's first off-road roadster prototype, unveiled in 1995, showcased a departure from conventional designs, equipped with a V8 engine later repurposed for the X5. 5. Engine-inspired headquarters. BMW's iconic headquarters, resembling a four-cylinder engine, was conceived in the late 60s, offering an innovative architectural solution to accommodate the company's growing workforce. 6. Origins of the BMW M logo. Initially tied to a proposed Texaco sponsorship deal in the 70s, the iconic M logo's tricolor scheme remains a subject of debate among BMW enthusiasts and designers. 7. Electric vision in the 90s. BMW's EV endeavors date back to the 70s, with notable advancements leading to the unveiling of the E1 in 1991, a pioneering electric city car prototype lauded for its practicality. 8. X5 Le Mans prototype. The BMW X5 Le Mans, housing a potent 700 horsepower McLaren F1 engine, showcased extraordinary performance capabilities, setting records before retiring as a technological marvel. 9. Revival of the 3.0 CSL. Celebrating the legacy of the iconic 3.0 CSL, BMW unveiled the 3.0 CSL Homage R in 2015, a concept paying homage to its racing heritage, though never progressing beyond the prototype stage. 10. Preserving history. Elvis Presley's BMW 507. BMW's classic division embarked on a meticulous restoration journey, bringing Elvis Presley's iconic red BMW 507 back to its former glory, culminating in a triumphant reveal at the Pebble Beach Concours in 2016. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share the horsepower. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow gearheads. Join the CarSwagger community and let's drive into the future together.